how we can create our own code editor using ChatGPT and use it locally on our system. We can run any kind of codes and program in our local system with the help of local code editor. So let's see how it works. First, we're gonna take the help of ChatGPT. Create a simple code editor platform using Python. So this is the code created by ChatGPT. We have defined open file, then we will define a save file. Okay, even we have to use tkinter dependency. So I'll copy this code and go to my VS Code and paste it over here and run this file. Okay, so you can see this is the code editor created by ChatGPT. So we can create, we can open, or we can save files. It is working fine. Okay, we can even clean that file as well. So I'll paste this code over here and try to run this. Okay, so to run this we have to write some lines of code so that we can run this code. So I'll save this back to the VS Code, and the editors should work. If I am running any program, it should generate the output. So it should generate the output. This is the code. I'll copy this code and back to the VS Code and paste it over here and try to run this code. So see, it has added a new button called run code. Okay, so I'll paste this code again and try to run this, and you can see it's working fine. It has opened the new VS Code editor for me, and this means it's working fine. The code is successfully implemented. Next, what I will do, I will add some more lines of prompt. Make the interface look like VS Code with dark mode and light mode button on corner. So this is the code. I'll copy this code again and go back to my VS Code. This is the complete code. I'll paste it over here and try to run it again. And you can see this is now in dark mode. And the same thing I can implement. I can paste the code over here and try to run this code. Okay, and you can see here it has opened the new VS Code editor for me. That means the code is working fine and it has generated the output. So I'll close this and close this again and go back to the VS Code. Make the interface more customized and look like VS Code with both dark and light mode, along with save icon, edit icon, and much more. Okay, so this is the code generated by ChatGPT. So again I will copy this code and go back to my VS Code. This is the complete code. Okay, it's a lengthy code and it has added all customization for me, and paste it over here, and again I'll try to run this code. To run this code, I'll go to the terminal and select the PowerShell, and I'll enter the command python simple editor.py, and you can see this is the simple code editor platform. Here I can add or paste the code and run it. Okay, and this is how you can create your own customized or own VS Code editor and run it locally on your system and use it for free. So in this way you can create your own VS Code editor or virtual code editor for you and use it locally on your system. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, hit on the like button. If you are new to this channel, you can subscribe this channel, and if you have any query, comment down below. See you in the next video.